Watch The Light of Bulgaria on the seminary's YouTube channel, premiering Tuesday, July 14th. This new feature-length documentary, produced by the seminary, follows the Old Calendar Orthodox Church of Bulgaria during a critical moment in its history as it fights to maintain legal recognition amid government pressure and accusations of being a threat to national security. Don't miss The Light of Bulgaria on July 14th.
Сега ще ви срещна с духовния водач на старостилците, триадицкия митрополит Фотий. Това е неговото първо телевизионно интервю след решението на върховните магистрати.
Our registration became widely known. It sparkled immense anger from the patriarchate, the official church in Bulgaria.
Разрешаването на регистрацията на втора църква, която съдържа в името си православна, е заплаха за националната сигурност.
We expect now the state to take measures to terminate and deprive the community from its registration. The state of Orthodoxy is not taking a positive direction.
Христос воскресе! Воистину воскресе!
Our very nation exists because of the Orthodoxy. There is no Orthodoxy, there is no Bulgaria.
След всяко страдание ни очаква светлината на Пасхата. Ние сме призвани да повярваме. Отвъдният свят ще отмие всичко скръбно.